Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Special thanks to our Vijay viewers who have grown with us. Please join the community, subscribe now and stay updated. Internet compares Thompson's murder to the Joker and Batman following arrest of Luigi Mangione. A user on X posted he has done some real life Joker stuff. Engraved bullet monopoly money he knew police would find. The arrest of 26-year-old Luigi Mangione in connection with the assassination of United Healthcare CEO Brian Thompson has sent shockwaves through social media, with internet users drawing eerie parallels to famous films like Joker and The Batman. What started as a routine investigation quickly spilled into a whirlwind of conspiracy theories as a seasoned lawyer. David Batters posted a viral TikTok video questioning whether McGowan is the true killer or if there's more to the story. Batters, who is known for his expertise and logical reasoning, pointed out several peculiar aspects of the case. "I am no conspiracy theorist," he began in the viral clip, which has amassed over 300K likes and 25K comments. However, Batters went on the questions and suspects calm demeanor before and after the shooting. He found it odd that a killer, after meticulously planning such a high-profile crime, would be sloppy enough to have his face recorded by security cameras. Why would he do that? Batters asked, uh, referring to Mangone's calmness before the murder. Adding to the intrigue, Mangone was seen casually leaving his hotel and grabbing a drink at Starbucks hours before the assassination. Someone about to commit a serious crime would not calmly go to Starbucks first, said Batters, questioning why the suspect would appear so composed. He also noted that the shooter seemed to have intimate knowledge of Thompson's schedule and access to sophisticated equipment such as a silencer. "Most people die to reach killings. They run, they fire," he remarked, but the shooter walked away from the scene. "That's just something much colder and more calculated." This sparked widespread debate online, with users voicing their thoughts on Batter's theory. "You are creating responsible debate. I love it," one commenter posted, while another said, "I think the guy at Starbucks was a decoy." A retired forensic investigator even weighed in, agreeing with Batter's reasoning. The mystery deepened when Mangoine was detained at a McDonald's in Atolna, Pennsylvania, approximately 275 miles from New York City. A restaurant employee recognized him and alerted the police. When authorities arrived, they found Mangoine in possession of a gun, of a fake ID, and a handwritten manifesto expressing ill will toward corporate America. These details only fueled further speculation about these motivations, but the most bizarre twist came from social media, where many began drawing conversations between Mangoine's arrest and the characters of the Joker and the Batman. One user on X posted he wanted to get caught. "This is going to turn out like the Joker, with a very public court case and the general public spotting the guy." Another user added, "Loic Mengoin being led to court. He has done some real life Joker stuff. Engraved bullets in the murders, monopoly money in the bag that he knew police would find." His last name, Megan, means being eater in Italian and he showed his face and got caught because of McDonald's. Plus the YouTube video being scheduled to release on 11 December. It's all a big puzzle tease. I hope you will enjoy this news. Have a nice time. Goodbye.